NIOS DLED की मान्यता के लिए हमारी मीटिंग है, जिसमें संदीप सर भी करीबन 12-1 बजे से काम कर रहे हैं। सभी लोग चतर सर, सचिन सर, मैं।
Hello everyone, we are quite busy, we are occupied, we are working like since morning. It's been all day long, it's going to be night, and we are still working for the benefit, for the good of everyone. I hope you guys are just looking at us, listening to us, and we want your cooperation for this. And it is a kind of fight for justice, right? And we haven't done any kind of crime. We are just educated and qualified teachers, and I don't know why this government is doing injustice to us. So right now we're writing an application to our honorable MLA Sri Munna Singh Chauhan ji. So we have written a lot of points, and there is a lot of stuff, and there is a lot of emotion we have put in this application. So I hope we get justice from our honorable existing Munna Singh Chauhan ji. He is the MLA of Vikas Nagar. So I personally feel that there is a lot of emotion, a lot of anger among the applicants of these DLED NIOS, and it's been a very long time that we haven't got the job. So our career, our entire future is in the hand of this government. And one thing I want to tell the government, that they should look into this matter properly, because there are lots of points. Because this DLED was approved by the NCT, okay, and all the guidelines, all the procedure was carried out by the government officials. Even the government institutions and government bodies were also involved in this, in conducting this examination, the whole this DLED. So I hope we get the justice, and I know that Bhajpa government is very capable of doing this, and we have lot of competent and capable officers in our institution and bodies. And Nandan Singh Bora ji, we personally thank you, sir, so much that you are fighting for us. And it is kind of a dream coming true for us, that you have been in Nainital and fighting for us, and we don't know in what kind of situation you are. We are feeling so excited to cooperate and lend our hands in fighting this justice. So Bora ji, we are here in Vikas Nagar. We are very sorry that we cannot approach you, but our emotions, our sentiments are with you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.